Law enforcement has always been cautious with new technology, and honestly, that caution is understandable. Officers and agencies are trained to think about liability, accountability, and public trust. That's part of the profession. But when it comes to artificial intelligence, the greatest danger may not be adopting AI too quickly. It may be waiting too long to understand it. Because while some agencies are still taking a wait-and-see approach, the world is already moving forward. And law enforcement cannot afford to fall behind operationally, strategically, or technologically. Historically, policing has often approached new technology cautiously. Whether it was body cameras, mobile data terminals, or social media investigations, many agencies waited until other departments moved first. That culture still exists today in the form of artificial intelligence. Many officers and leaders are watching from a distance thinking, let's wait and see what happens. But artificial intelligence is not a passing trend. It is becoming integrated into report writing, investigations, and intelligence analysis. The question is no longer whether AI will impact policing. The question is, will law enforcement understand it before it becomes operationally necessary? If agencies fail to learn AI responsibly now, several things could happen. First, departments may become operationally slower than agencies already using AI-assisted workflows. Investigators using AI-assisted evidence organization may process cases faster. Supervisors using AI-assisted report review may improve consistency and reduce errors. Departments that use AI-assisted policy drafting may modernize procedures more efficiently. Meanwhile, agencies refusing to learn the technology may struggle to keep pace. Officers who never learn AI may eventually find themselves reacting to technology they do not fully understand. That creates risk, because artificial intelligence will increasingly affect criminal investigations, evidence review, and digital intelligence. Law enforcement professionals do not need to become software engineers, but they do need enough understanding to recognize risks, identify limitations, protect constitutional rights, and verify accuracy. And perhaps most importantly, maintain human judgment. This is where the conversation becomes important. Artificial intelligence should never replace officer judgment, investigative reasoning, and probable cause analysis. The human element must always remain central. Every AI-generated report, investigative summary, or warrant draft should still be reviewed, verified, corrected, and validated by the officer or investigator. That is non-negotiable. AI is not the truth. AI is a tool. And, as with every tool in law enforcement, its effectiveness depends on the professionalism and judgment of the person using it. The agencies that benefit most from AI will probably not be the ones that automate the most. They will be the ones who train responsibly, implement carefully, and verify relentlessly. Law enforcement does not need to rush into artificial intelligence blindly, but it cannot afford to ignore it either. The future officer, investigator, supervisor, and command staff member will likely operate in an environment where AI-assisted systems become increasingly common. And agencies that fail to learn the technology early may eventually find themselves operationally behind, administratively overwhelmed, and strategically reactive instead of proactive. Artificial intelligence should not replace good policing. But understanding artificial intelligence may soon become the standard within departments. The goal is not blind adoption. The goal is strategic understanding. Let AI shape law enforcement responsibly, rather than react to it later. Because the agencies that understand AI first may ultimately be the agencies best prepared for the future of policing.